All right guys, here we go. Our next video in the Paleo Express series. We're about to give your taste buds a licking, so come right back for my sweet and sour chicken. Woo! Keep it paleo. We're gonna start off with 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. What I'll do is just cut away the rib meat here. And I won't throw that away, I'll cook it in there, but I'd like to be able to pick that out, kind of snack on it while I'm cooking. We'll slice through these 2 times each. And then how I like to do it is at a little angle here, something like that. So we're all set there. I'm gonna salt this right there, set it aside. And then next up, since we're going Asian, we're going with our ginger and garlic. Preheated skillet, olive oil. You could use a little sesame oil if you wanted. Ginger in the pan, and get after our garlic. Go. Pan. Stir that around, toast the garlic up. The ginger's pretty safe, it can handle the heat, but we don't want to overcook the garlic. So now we'll bring the chicken into play. We're gonna go season side down as best we can. And salt on the top side. A little pepper. And then I'm gonna add 2 ounces of maple syrup. Next up is 2 ounces rice wine vinegar. And we'll let that cook. While the chicken's going, we'll get into our veggies. I got 1 large onion. 1 red and green bell pepper. So here, give that chandelier cut. Just like that, there's our chandelier. Bottom off. Trim around the top. Boom, there we are. Check in on our chicken. Our goal here is to reduce the maple syrup and vinegar while infusing it into the chicken. That's coming along. We're probably about halfway right now. As soon as it's reduced and we kind of have a glaze going, then I'm estimating that the chicken's gonna be done. Okay guys, here we are. We're at au sec, which just means almost dry. It's a French cooking term. We got a nice glaze going, and I'm confident that the chicken is cooked through. So I'm gonna transfer that to a pan here. Pan back on the heat, a little bit of oil. Then I'm going in with my peppers and onions. Little salt, pepper. Then while this is cooking, we're gonna work our basil. I got a handful of basil here. Check this out. I'm just gonna pull the leaves from the stems. Boom, there we have it. Peppers and onions are coming along. We're going for that stir fry consistency. We've got nice caramelization kind of here. This is pretty. Want a little bit more of that. Don't overcook them. Then we'll just fold the chicken in and we'll finish it off. Peppers and onions right about where I like them. Little crunch. Beautiful. So let's wrap it up. Chicken's gonna go back in. And then our basil. Whole leaves. And plate. Here we go. All right, there we have it, guys. It's our sweet and sour chicken. And from our end, that's a wrap. I want to encourage you guys to Paleo Express yourselves. If you have any ideas for future videos, just shoot me an email, nick@paleonick.com. Until next time, I want to encourage you to do your best to keep it paleo.